Prolong HD, Sophie True. True.
Yo, Max. Man, been a holy faith before me get me locks on.
God. Oh, me really do them, God. Tell me now, God. Oh, me really do them.
My boy, Lucky. Come to me, boy.
Mommy! Mommy, breakfast already yet?
Stop the complaining, I'm coming. Just relax, man.
It take too long, you know, man. I'm here late for church.
Hush, baby, hush.
Sure.
Here you go. You're not listening, you know? You're not listening. Take off the shoes. Me never tell you I want to clean it for you.
I use them almost Oreo.
That don't mean if you put on the shoes.
Yeah, man, you always late for everything. And you always are Oreo people.
Stop the complaining. Come, have your breakfast.
Thanks.
Let me get the cloth.
So, mommy, want the tea there?
What? Since when I start drinking tea?
Mommy,
Since when I start
make
drinking
sure you
tea?
give Java and me the same thing, you know?
But wait, you don't like what you get?
Yes, mommy,
You
me
don't
like
the
it.
amount.
Yes.
So why are you complaining?
Me not complain, mom. Me just say, true because in craving. Me was in craving, you know? And you know that.
We know that, but you know you are different. You
Yes,
are
mommy,
special.
yes, I am
So
a
just
favorite boy.
Enjoy the breakfast.
Alright, mommy, thanks. And that's how I love you, you know, mommy? You always deal with me nice.
Look here. And dare not compare yourself with Jav. Okay?
I won't, mom.
Please.
This is nice, mom.
Mind a bite your tongue, you know? Mind a bite your tongue.
Mommy, mommy, can I get 50 off the offering?
Sure. Only $50.
150.
120 will fine.
Oh, I don't know that.
Yes, and please to remember to tell Pastor that I'll be coming to church next week
yes,
Sunday.
ma'am, yes.
Bright when I finish eat. Don't touch the money while eating. That I'm coming to church bright and early.
Okay.
Sunday. Don't eat the message, you know.
No, I eat it, mom.
Okay.
What, first food, mom? First food?
Yes, yes.
Alright, mom.
Lucky.
Yes, mom?
Hurry up and go to church.
Yes, mom. You're lucky.
Did you just say something?
Tired. Jesus is my deliverer.
Lucky, bro. You could wait for me. Eh? Your hand me close them. Bro, you
not do. You're lucky. Jesus is my deliverer.
Hey boy.
Yes, mommy.
Really my job them here like that?
Actually, me kind of tired and a spring me I come from, and that's why I'm kind of tired.
That no give you no right to angle me jug them like that. Are you working?
No, mommy.
You work?
No, mommy. No,
You have ways and means in which you get money?
no, mommy.
So you're not supposed to dismantle my things them. You're supposed to take care of them. But we don't know choo, not nothing. The only choo me know is a workless pa. I'm alone, me know. Nonsense. You check her pa. Hold on there. You bathe it?
Yes, mom, bathe already before I go down a spring.
You go have to bathe again, here?
Alright, mom. You go bathe
And
again.
her pan come out of my side. I can't stand you. Hurry up. Come here. Take up the jug. And carry go put it where you're supposed to put it.
Alright. Yes, mom. Alright. I'll bathe enough for that.
Can't stand him. Watch him. Hey, come here.
Yes, mom.
Come here. You know that's the kitchen, right?
Yeah, I saw breakfast me I go make fi go press my clothes to go to church.
Breakfast.
Yeah, some
You
breakfast.
can't look around you see your little parcel.
Alright. See, I make breakfast here, mom. You never know.
That's so no. I need you to herb and eat that something there.
I'm not this attack.
You don't look like it.
Oh, mommy, bull and bag juice and make me too hyperactive. I be run up on them, go run up and down a church with bull and bag juice.
How do you do when church finish a run up and down? So just herb and wax off that, put on your clothes and go to church.
Alright, mommy. May I press my clothes?
Oh, where? Where I do?
May I iron out my clothes to go to church?
You have to pay a bill in here?
No, I'm paying no bill.
So what do you mean you have to press clothes? What do you mean you have to press clothes? You need to just go in there, put on your clothes and head out to church. You're late already. And if you stay a little longer, you go later. So if you don't want, you can give me back.
May I eat it and go to church, mommy. Alright, thanks you.
Hurry up and
Thanks you,
come
bull
out
and
of my
bag.
sight. I'm tired to see you. Tired to see you, man. Hurry up. Sure. I know I don't like the lizard and you know come join them. You put on the clothes yet?
No,
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, you know get pan my nerves, man? You know boy I love get pan my last nerve?
Mommy can't make a 20 laugh to pay offering at church.
You say what?
Man, 20 laugh to pay for offering at church.
They give me anything to put on.
No, I'm not getting no money for put on.
If you don't go today without it, God now go see you. Just take a little time and go on.
Like you know have 20 laugh, I can get it $5.
I don't have none.
Alright.
Make your way to church.
Alright.
Sister Pinky! Sister Pinky! Sister Pinky!
I'm here.
Hello, pleasant good morning.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Well gone.
Nothing much. Wonder if I left a call if I wasn't in my business.
No, son, I left me call. Me know it's in your business, no, Sister Pinky. Me just
So
come
what
over,
happened
come. You know, say a job me really come over here, come talk to you about. I don't know,
What about?
really me come beg you about.
Job?
You know.
I know
Yeah.
sir, I would have to hear me now. I would have a job. When do you know?
Me don't like the way you treat job.
Lady,
Me realize how you treat the next one, but you treat the next one better how you treat job. Why you treat job like say I know you pick me.
you living here?
No, me not live over here, but I wear me see
You
how
know,
you deal
you
with
know
job.
all the things that I have to keep up with? You know enough in my shoes so you wouldn't know.
Me just not like the way you treat job. Me not lie.
Me thank you for your concern, but me and him live. But you don't know, older than you.
Me understand all of that, you know, Sister Pinky. Me do really understand.
You
all
can't
of that.
understand. You know, in my shoes, you can't understand.
Of course
you
me
think
understand.
you understand.
Me understand because
Let's talk.
Talk. Me understand because you're a single mother. Me understand all of that. A single parenting. But Jav is your son as well too. You're cheating next one. If you know me realize me see something where you do the other day. The other day me see you buy something give in next one. Jav ask you for something and you never give it to Jav. Why is Sister Pinky? If you treat both of them equally, both of them are your son. Treat both of them equally. Don't make the next one feel left out.
You have to tell your father that. You have to tell Jav father that. Okay? Because if I don't have it, where may I get it from to give him?
So how you get it for give next one?
Because your father give him.
And true, Jaffa, you fish still broke your bread in a two a bread of them.
No,
they will
no.
grow up and live bad.
Me nah use fee money for him. Me nah do it.
So what kind of parenting is that?
The same one. The same one. You're not enough for me shoes, me love.
That is not a good parenting, Sister Pinky. Me nah lie you. That is not a good parenting.
In your eyes.
In everybody eye. I know me alone I watch you.
Yes.
I know me up on the street, me there too. You treat one better or you treat the other.
Well,
stop it, man.
You can put it on bite of the week.
It will go upon if you true.
And more likes to me. So, me still not go.
If you treat your two son them equally, man, because you can't treat that the one they good and treat the other bad. Don't do that, Sister
If me get
Pinky.
money fee, me go spend pan. If me not get the other one, I mean have it. What me go do?
So, that's simple.
No, take him. Take him. Come.
You need that space, me take him for true because it both of them are
you
brother.
say you understand, so take him.
It two of them are brother. Just imagine that. And you are trying, right now I set up a two look boy them.
Me?
Yes, that is exactly what you're doing because you go treat that the one they good and left out that the one they know. Or you feel same I feel.
You have to go ask him.
Anyways, when I really come over here and talk to you about our scholarship program where they go on and I have access to it. I mean family, one of my family member them I deal with it and stuff. And me have one look of preferred one first choice. I don't want job company.
Same thing. Job. What you know about job?
What me know about
Why
job?
you didn't say Lucky? Lucky is bright, full of potential. You know him?
Me don't know nothing about Lucky. Only thing me about Lucky say he fully done. In the right back of the class. But me know Job as a very intelligent, humble and calm youth. He's very bright. That's the reason why me I tell you about the opportunity for your son. And it sound like I say you're not glad or you're not interested.
Listen, there's opportunity come once, right? Me wouldn't want the one opportunity come anyways. So it's better if you make Lucky do it.
Lucky not going to do it, so. Lucky not going to do it. A job me say me want to go on it, and a job me mean say I go on it. So if you don't want him go, me I come over here feed myself and carry him down there and make him get through the program. If you get happy for your son.
That not go work. It not go work. I know for your son and for my son. That not go
You're
work.
so a bad
That
man, man. And you two pinning him and you sound like I say a bad man one.
Look here, I want to best me two pitney them. But it look like are you bad man? Cause you come here take side, both job this, job that. You know about job? And look at me bright Lucky. Job not have no brain. Empty brain you have like Impa. Empty brain.
He's not a good mother, that's all I can say. One of your son get an opportunity to make life better for you. And he next two brother. And you don't happy for him. Look deep in your heart and ask yourself the question. Why is it me only love Lucky? And why is it me don't love Job? If you're glad for the opportunity for your son, Sister Pinky.
And as I said before, I don't know Job as a scholar. I know Lucky as the brighter one. So you see what you saw and I saw what I see.
Well,
okay?
Me only glad me can't tell us still. You know? Say, Job have an opportunity. So when me see him, I go tell him, I say, come in, why you not go tell him? I go tell him, look boy, and make him follow me go down and people them.
You should have shame because me and your brother and look how me look.
Me and your brother?
Look how look come out of yard, Lucky. You should have shame, you know, Lucky.
You're lucky, me and your brother.
Lucky, you know.
Hold on,
We are blood, Lucky.
Look at me. Look at you. Look at me swagger. Look at your swagger.
Lucky, Look for me swagger fit you a slippers and crush up shirt.
I tell me no business with me no business with you. And you wanna look so?
Lucky.
But me, why you come talk about me fi press for you have your audacity fi say me fi press for you, me?
Lucky, you know, say we are not blood, we are water in a real life.
And you're right.
We are not blood, we are water for
Keep
real.
your filthiness to yourself.
You know what? Cut all the foolishness, me I shut up.
Remember say you have to go for water, more water, I not go for no water.
See now, follow me go spring Lucky.
Go for water for you know see me a king.
Alright.
Look for me swagger.
God
Me
bless
no go for water, brother.
Me say Lucky.
I make me hurry up and come on to.
Shut up. Lucky.
Shut up what?
Me shut up.
Mommy, I wait for you.
Lucky,
I tell you that. Alright, you're a bad man, alright.
You know, say Lucky, I really at though. Look how Lucky run gone left me. Lucky! You know, say Lucky, a real fool, you know. Look how Lucky run gone left me. I mean, the man cut left me this morning, now he run gone left me this evening, church over. Alright, let me take my good time.
Mommy! Yeah. Mommy, where are you? Mommy!
Is what?
Oh, God, me dear man, come here. You know, let's go on our church.
What happened?
Mommy, before me tell you, sit down. Before you, me know. God, mommy, my dear mother.
You see
Such
the
a long church, I smoke weed.
Who? Where? When? Talk again, me not get it. Talk again.
Mommy, I want weed, mommy. I bring them much, I bring them reputation, you know. I
can't believe this
Mommy,
outside.
I hide me if you hide him. Mommy. We no big pastor see him.
So when they know?
Me left him down the road, mommy. Me I'll tell him say you need to come go for water and he say he not go for none. And I bad me up, mommy.
No,
Me I'll take up stone off for me.
No talk no more. Me have to go film. Me have to go film right now.
Mommy,
That's
you don't
serious.
know, mommy.
I see him boy come. They praise. I want to go for scholarship.
I choose you not like me, mommy. I choose you not like me because she'll see me and I cut her eye. Me see her down the road, you know, mommy.
Allah.
Yes.
You serious?
Yes, mommy. They don't like me, mommy. I him a Java shut her up against me, mommy. Choose you know I'm to get his scholarship. And you know, say me bright and full of potential, mommy.
Definitely.
Not true.
Straight A.
Not true. Look for me swagger, mommy. Me no bright.
You know if you ask that, but anyway, me have a go.
Yes, mommy. Yes. Man, my friend said, I'm a bigger boss in this. Me in charge, yeah.
What mean you never did smoke no weed?
Me never did but no ganja.
What you mean you never did? Hurry up, come with
Me
something.
never did but no weed. I like them and tell me. I like Jesus Christ Almighty God. I like them and tell me. I like them and tell me. Why? Murder. I like them and tell me. But me never did but no weed. I like them and tell. Jesus Christ. I like them and tell me. Me never did but no weed. Me never did smoke. Sunday school me go listen to me no man. Sunday school me go. Why? Sunday school me go. Why?
Right. Go on your bed now. Go on your bed now.
Mommy!
Oi! Boy, too rude, man. You tell lie.
Yeah, alright. Mommy, no run up your blood pressure, mommy. Cause you want a glass of water, mommy?
Yes,
Sit
please.
down, mommy. Sit down.
First takes me celebrity. Get a little play though. Think a joke.
Look, you know, say he's a wicked boy, bro. You make it a point of duty, say run left me come from church, you know, and you're the bun weed up at church and really can't tell mommy say yo, me the bun weed, you know,
Me
wicked.
Me see a bun weed.
Lucky, listen to me. God, I seen you one night time them, and when
You
you seen a come,
yo, what the fuck? Get up off of my bed, bad man.
You're wicked.
Yo, get up off of my bed, bad people.
You're wicked, Lucky.
Get up off of my bed, you. It come like you lick them when you get no suit, yo.
Don't worry yourself, Lucky.
You me I tell you?
Anything sweet you're going sour you. I bet you one night time you get same amount of liquor.
Lucky.
Alright, Lucky. Me lucky.
Come off of my bed, brother.
Lucky. Don't worry yourself, Lucky. Lucky. Don't worry yourself.
Come out of my room, man.
Lucky. Your time is coming.
Lucky.
Me say Lucky. Your time is coming. You're a liar then you're a
Come out of my room.
Me say Lucky. Your time will go.
Come out of my room, bad people. I'm here, man. Can't disturb me. All the girl come off a line. Oh, this a man. Me and you. Remember, say, you not lie like me, no? Me and you again. Me and you in this a ball game, so make sure you can tackle. Oh, Tada. Me go tell mommy too. Me go tell mommy too. Mommy, how for food that? The food over there, so.
Job food.
Job food. You better
Is
put
what?
it back in the pot.
Why?
You know what it is?
Where you find that?
Where you find it? In your son pocket.
Job packet?
In your son pocket. He ma
Serious?
plan for breed girl in here.
No in ya. I not in ya.
Yeah.
Job. 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 Job.
Yes, mommy.
I went into stomach.
Me no stammer, man. That's you man and woman go and wait till if
You have a right for delay answering me.
I want mommy.
You know what this?
Where you get that from, mommy?
And in your pocket today.
For me pocket. No, mommy.
No, for me.
Me not use them listen them, mommy. No.
But you can't look at me and talk to me.
No, me no know where you get that from. Me not even know what that.
What me you know what this? Don't act like you're innocent.
But me not use them something there. Fi have them something there. Me no know how to get them something there. First thing me not even know what that. Me not even know a science class alone me see them things there.
Jesus. Look here, you talk too much, that you tell too much lie. You say you don't know about it, you never see it. Now you tell me say in a science class you know
No,
about it.
mommy,
So that mean a yours. Let me tell you something. Me barely a mine no. Me not have money for mine grand pitney.
Mommy, I don't understand that, man.
Daughter-in-law. So whether I feel or I not feel, me I make sure make you know say me I go put you out. Cause me cannot manage. And a matter of fact, no food you not get. No food you not get. So you see before there's a prevention better than cure. So you see before you're carrying baby and daughter-in-law, take your leave. Okay?
So mommy, you kick me out of your house. I lucky get that. Alright, mommy.
So you know say lucky. Suppose I me did find it. Suppose
But
I
mommy,
me
me
did
not
find
obtain them
it.
things there.
So why you can't say lucky? You're guilty.
No, me and Lucky just have a small confrontation in the room and Lucky attack. One bag of thing boy, ma tell lie for me and one bag of thing, mommy. You know me not do the thing there, mommy.
At the end of the day, the truth will reveal. You got to go. Go watch you.
Morning.
I know.
Morning.
By the way, let me ask you something. You didn't catch your water this morning? Why?
Me just wake up from a morning because you know say last night it kind of cold and the dog they make one bug a night. So me not go down and spring it.
What you eat though?
There's nothing for a morning. Just wake up.
Well, me I go on the road and come back so you can just fetch the water.
Alright, I'll catch you water now.
Jav, you can't hold on there now, so I need to talk to you though.
Good evening, Miss Cam, you alright?
Yes, I'm okay, Jav. How are you?
I go for some water down a spring.
So where is the next brother?
No, in down here, good as all I eat breakfast now.
And are you alone carry all that 2 jug? See your mother not tell himself he can't help with none of the jug them?
Mother make him breakfast and something, so I just look water me I go for down a spring. If you chew and I jump up a yard.
Poor boy. You know, so I'm really sorry for you do a job. Because imagine, your brother down there, so me know say he think down there hit or something, you know. And see you know, 2 jug and a 2 ounce. Your mother couldn't make him carry 1 and you carry 1. You know, so from the other day, though, me really they watch how your mother treat you. He treat you bad. And treat the next one good. But don't like how your mother react with you, man.
Miss Cam, you know, my mother not really treat me bad. She just not understand some of the time.
Jav, I'm not really here to discuss your mom with you. I'm here about you because a program is going around right now by one of my family members. And it is in Oxford.
Oxford, Miss Cam?
Yes, Oxford.
Oxford University?
Yes.
The one that I always see on TV that I dream to go about ages ago.
Exactly.
What about it, Miss Cam?
I'm going to let you go on that program.
You really are going to do that for me, Miss Cam?
Yes, I'm going to do it for you because I realize say you're very bright, you're intelligent, you have manners, and a lot of old people about the place me hear they talk about you how you have respect and you have manners. You understand?
Yes, Miss Cam.
And me also tell her mama about it too, so she never discuss that with you.
No, Miss Cam, she never discuss it with me, Miss Cam.
But anyways, no worry yourself here.
Alright, Miss Cam.
Me, I go take you personally and me go carry down there that's a sign of paper.
Alright, Miss Cam. Miss Cam, I really appreciate it in the advance, you know, Miss Cam. I really appreciate it. Nobody ever done something like this for me. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. And continue keep up the good work and have respect and manners same way. You hear, Jav?
Yes, Miss Cam.
And me want you come over by my house. I go want you come over by my house because I'm going to tell you the exact timing and stuff. So I go call back my relative and ask him what time it go start. So you can leave out.
Alright, Miss Cam. I'm really excited now, Miss Cam. I'll catch you water them fast and
yes,
come back.
and listen, remember, do not tell your mom about this. You hear me?
No, Miss Cam, I don't tell her about it.
Because I don't want to discourage you.
Alright, Miss
Because
Cam.
I'm lucky you want to go up on it.
Yes,
and I tell him
Cam.
say you me prefer you. Because when lucky out road in no manners.
Yes, Miss Cam.
So I want you come by the house so I can take you by my family member to make him sign you up for
Okay,
the
Miss
program.
Cam.
You hear?
Okay, Miss Cam.
And continue to be a good boy, man.
Yes, Miss Cam. Always, Miss
And
Cam.
carry the jug one or you left one down I spring and make lucky go for you next. So your mother too wicked.
Yes, Miss Cam. May I take my time, Miss Cam?
And remember when I say no, don't open your mouth, don't utter your mouth and say nothing at all.
No, Miss Cam.
Your mother hear me?
Me not go say no, Miss Cam.
Remember, you know?
Yes, Miss
Hey,
Cam.
you me want you.
Miss Cam,
You want,
here, Miss
don't
Cam.
make the opportunity miss you.
Nah, go miss me, Miss Cam.
Make sure.
Okay, Miss Cam.
Remember, lock your mouth. Don't utter to nobody at all. You hear me?
Yes, Miss Cam.
Alright.
Miss Cam, I'm really happy, you know, Miss Cam.
Yes,
Me
one spring
happy.
I left when I jog. Remember, if you left when I jog.
Alright,
Down there.
Miss
Tell
Cam.
him say your back hurt, you cannot carry 2 of them.
Alright, Miss Cam. Take time walk go down here, Miss Cam.
Alright. Have a nice evening. You hear? And remember now, you know, don't tell nobody at all. Alright. Me see you later. Remember to come by the house, you hear? Alright.
Skinny? Can come?
Hey, I want real troublemaker, you know.
Me make sure ask you if me can come.
So all along when he has to come at the front gate, I'm tell you, say, don't come at the front gate, come at the back. Cause you know Patsy no like when you come here for Chocho.
That's why I squeegee and ask if I can come.
You're a real troublemaker, man. Hold this, sir.
How much is this?
75.
75. What if I know say Jav name like farmer's cow? All when you put not even done cook, you might eat out the food.
So when since Jav start turn hungry belly now?
You
And
never
Jav
know?
no normally eat.
What you mean Jav no normally eat?
Remember
Are you
good.
live? Are you him live?
I mean, hold on. So all of a sudden he don't start eat enough now. Eh? For
He
Chocho.
look like he get wash out somewhere. But he yam enough. He get trouble. He mash up me pan them. Other day he full up the tank and when me look, he fling down the jug them, bust them up.
So how much he jug? Now $50 and sell one buckle for.
How much he mash up? How much he mash up?
You know say you take me a laugh with you.
No,
know?
say put
All your
some
mind take me a laugh with you.
No, serious.
Serious. Yo, well, that you know, cause next month before me give you Sydney, you know, cause you move too hard. You understand? Every time you come with a story. The youth this and the youth that. You take me here, you are going down them. You did me out, you know. But God say I know.
You see it pan bite of the week?
What?
You see it pan bite of the week? Come here say it's the talk of the town. Me here say it's the talk of the town. So I must bite of the week in the pan.
Everything alright, man. Me so set myself. Cause me I work on him room round there. And I get him a room and take him from you. Cause some are no parent and no parent. You understand? Some are no parent. You no know if you carry you come on earth and you not know if treat you and grow you. I see a reason why I may break up.
You don't have him. Patakos kekle. Just
Like
make sure
something
next
wrong with
month.
you, you know?
Just make sure next month you put more pan it.
Like something wrong with you, but know yourself, man.
Just
Know
make sure
yourself.
next week you put more pan it.
Yeah? Know yourself, man. Remember, say me not ready for no youth, you know. Me still make sure say me provide for my youth, you know. Somehow, no man, so for Chocho, it's when cucumber go in a pumpkin and it's sweet, you know, so for Chocho, when I talk about braid me. And when people come on and start show the father them some face, but you know what go happen? I go make it the real way for my youth, yeah? So you see, anytime I carry a coat and take my youth and grow my youth the real way. But everything alright, so for sure. Chocho.
Yo, you know, easy in a dice. I pay US Mr. Strap, that for strippers of the night, you know.
Yeah, for dash money for the girl. Yeah?
Brawling.
The Chocho.
Evening.
Evening, mama.
I have to leave me. Now where you go?
Yeah, money a dash pan. Where say name? Slippers or strippers? Make sure say you have
Abo.
lucky money.
Looking always I get the money. Just sit down on the roadside and catch it for your people business. How up
Make
now?
sure you never see me sit down a while ago.
So how up now?
You don't know where me come from?
Where you come from?
But I true yesterday you go like you know
Yo,
dada.
yo, me know you give me no long talking need you know. How happen? What happen?
Make we fight.
Fight. You know fight too, man.
You know what me come about.
Where you come, boy? You
You
want
know.
to sitting? Come. How you want to sitting? I sitting you come for. Me know you love it, you know. So I go on.
Come no man.
Where is it? I want it. Where is it? Ready for it?
You ready?
Go on about your business, man. I'm not too worried about nothing either.
Yo.
You are going.
You're not buying my room.
Yeah, pre me someone. Yo. Just buy.
So you have
buy a Jagan or you want room?
Buy a crate of dragon.
Buy one. You pay a Jagan. $200 US. Most can buy.
so you know have no money for pitney but you have money
So
for buy
where
a
you bounce before?
You deserve
Me
the
know you
bounce.
bounce for me,
You
you know.
deserve the bounce. I mean me go in your pocket too, you know.
Go in our kind of pocket.
My friend,
Yo.
look here. You need to give me lucky money.
So hold on. Every
You
day
have
you want money for lucky.
You do what list man?
Every day
You give me money yesterday and the day before and the day before.
Today I win. Today I win.
No matter which day, me know me not get none since week.
About 3 days ago, me give you money. So, how you do with money, so? I saw looking at enough. Eh?
Enough for that, me and you.
How you want me money for? Don't mind, man. A man, you want me money for mine? You have 2 pitney up there. Yourself. I maintain me pitney. What you want me do? Mine, you want mine pitney or mine, man? Me and you left. So, me not supposed to have mine, you.
Somebody tell us someone want you back.
So,
you is not money.
So where you come for then? Where you come to me
The
for
money
then?
me come for.
You don't need to come for me. You don't need to come to me.
Because what?
Me will give lucky money when me see him. You think me I make you spend my money? A man you want to go marry with my money?
So lucky the penny one.
Lucky the penny own. Me always give you and you not spend the money on him. You are spending, could it? All year you do. Yesterday me see your head dry like a cornfield.
Oh, it burn your ear.
Eh.
It burn your ear.
It burn me. Burn me. And my money you want to go take for pretty up yourself.
And you too. You know some still love you.
You love me. You know have your man.
You know some still love you. You know that.
You know have your man.
Play tough.
Me no want
you
your
back,
back, man.
people, you say you go on.
Me no want your back.
When you see people, I say you go on, so stop going so. Because you know you love me too.
Love her. So now me left you. Me left you because me say you have a problem. Me no want you in my life. Yeah? To blast.
Good day, mommy. We can't get something to eat.
What is good about your day?
Not really good. Just kind of see up in front of here. Can't get something to eat,
Yeah, see
please.
up here and them on the pan wall. They can get something to eat.
Yeah.
Eat a piece of bullet and baggies to leave in there.
Mommy, I practice from morning. The bullet make me feel like to run.
Why? Your mother been feeling nice, you know?
I tell you.
You see the way you just lay down in cucumber and I pumpkin. So you go along with yourself, you know?
Tell him I got it. You got it on there. Yeah. Calm down.
Wait.
Okay.
You see if he come here, tell him say, he say go boy out there do the sweep your hand.
Okay.
Tell him say the boy they can't come here.
Lucky.
What you can come in?
No, but
Lucky.
say, and me, he go, you see it, but everything say a chaff. He go believe say a chaff.
You sure?
You know.
Pleasant surprise. Good evening, miss. Why Lucky didn't tell me that he's bringing his girlfriend over today so that I could clean up the place and rearrange the place, prepare something nice and all. Are you Lucky's girlfriend?
No, I'm actually Jav's girlfriend. I'm Jav's girlfriend.
Jav! Come here a little bit.
I'm taking my leave now.
Yes, mommy. Sorry.
Come here, young miss. Come here.
Me can get the food now, mommy. No.
Jav, why you never tell me say I have a girlfriend?
Me?
I need a suspect here, because first
Me
we
not-
get condom. No, she just tell me say. And you bring her over.
No, mommy. Me no know her. At first, me I see that girl. At first, me I see her. Where she come from? Me think you and her come in. Are your friend?
Who is she? Who is she?
Me no know she.
How comes you don't know her?
Me just...
So she there in a yard where you there not tell like on you?
No, mommy, me no know where they come from. Me no know. Might be a ghost. Mommy, look for you, cause me no know, you know. Me no know her, mommy.
But me call her, she not come.
Ask Lucky, must know her, mommy. Ask Lucky.
Well, you know sound like Lucky in the house. From me come here call Lucky, I'm not here Lucky.
Lucky in a Lucky room, mommy. I must Lucky. I know me. Me don't know nothing. Ask Lucky.
You know say me go call your father.
No, mommy. Me don't know nothing about that girl. You have to
I'm
ask
going to tell him
Lucky.
to come for you. Come and put you out. You're fine back your way in with girl.
Mommy, remember say me don't know if you go, you know.
So, me go call your father. Me go call your father. Because I can't manage this no more. You stress me out.
Me no know her. Me no know her if it's true.
Lucky!
Yes, mommy?
You never know, so me come long time.
I never know, mommy.
So you never know, say one girl come up here to the name Shanti.
Which girl?
One girl come up here to him.
To me?
Well, I'm done, man. No, you can't no man in the mommy place.
Lucky, and then you bring a girl up here, Lucky. Lucky.
Hey!
Lucky, talk for choo-choo. Lucky, and then no, you bring a girl up here, Lucky. Lucky out, I told me the whole day asleep in one
Me
spot.
asleep, mommy. From the day, from the whole day asleep, me asleep. Me go for your water, mommy. Me wash the plate them. Me sweep out the house.
Lucky, now me dead sweep on me place, Lucky. You're so wicked and lie, Lucky. Me tell you about line and line is abomination to the
Me
Lord,
come
Lucky.
see, me come see my sweep. Me come see my sweep.
Mommy, in
So
the
what if you
house,
have
me
to be
attack,
truth?
mommy. In the house, me attack, me a sweep out and wash the plate them.
Lucky, thick as the your girlfriend.
Which thing? Because they there, mommy.
Lucky, you know, see, there's a lie, there's a untrue brother do.
You still like mommy?
Me feel like me fi put up on camera in the house.
Yes, mommy.
Lucky, you go get catching a Lucky, so don't talk about camera in a Lucky. I bet you say from camera go up in the
You see you have a problem, you know?
Lucky, you're wicked, you know, Lucky.
Wicked are you?
You've been telling lies on me, you know, Lucky. You need to stop, you know, Lucky.
Me?
I hear her name
Me?
she calling up.
No, me no know
I
her.
feel
I
woman.
hear her name she calling.
But I fuck asleep, my brothers are asleep, mommy.
That's so she wicked.
She wicked bad.
So why she choose to call you her name? Why she couldn't say Lucky?
Alright. Oh, yeah, so she...
Then if man left out the yard, me no must have to search him.
Cause he never have condom to you, know, mommy.
But me no condom. Me no
You see you?
Lucky, stop telling lie. You're
You see you?
untrue. Bad
Me a
Lucky.
suspect, you know.
Talk up.
Yeah, you man.
Stop talk up.
You?
Talk up.
I lucky if it's true. I lucky,
You.
lucky.
Stop arguing with him and tell me how things go.
That's every true like a worthless pato.
I mind me get in room and start.
Mommy, I lucky bringing in the girl. Mommy, I lucky bringing in the girl.
Look here. Men this talk on you.
I lucky bringing in the girl.
Mommy, who girl? Who name a girl called?
I sweep me out, I do a sweep so a girl fit in here with me. And you bring in the girl, look,
see
you're
you?
wicked.
You see you want to get me in a problem, you know.
Come.
I know me, no mommy.
I him. Look, you're wicked. Are you? Motherfucker, mommy.
Yes, you're wicked, lucky. I know me bringing in the girl, lucky.
Mommy, if you
What me tell you? Hello. Hello.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
Not too bad, not too good.
Okay. Well, it's something I brought over for job. I wanted to give you.
Thanks. You ready to go back home?
No, I'm not ready to go back
I
home.
feel sorry for me.
Me know say I feel.
Listen, after me picnic, me will give it to him. Come.
Miss Pinky,
We
I
have
want
one
to
little
suggest
meeting,
something to you.
so please.
Let me suggest something to you now, Miss Pinky.
About
When me
who?
can't rush me so.
About who?
Job. Miss
Take time
Pinky,
calling him, please.
look here. You have a two wonderful, nice child, you know. Two nice son you have, Miss Pinky. As me I tell you what day, me tired fi see her treat the little boy bad. And if you treat the little boy better, no, what day me see little boy a go spring with 2 jug. Eh? And lucky they down a yard. And a 2 jug you send the little boy with man him one fi carry 2 jug them. And lucky they up here can help him brother. You need to treat him better than how you treat him man.
Thank you very much for your concern about Jav. You ready to go now?
Me just a tell you man, I'm just explaining. Just take time and treat it. Just treat the little boy better than how you treat him.
Lady under your house. Come. Come.
You hear what Mr. Do?
Come.
You see stone where you refuse? Remember me tell you say you can end up and be head corner stone one day.
I feel pain or I feel me? I feel pain or I feel me pain?
You see corners, you see stone where you refuse, you know? It must be head corner stone.
No matter how you say take time talk, you just load up your mouth like I feel your house.
It's okay.
You will know if you can get here.
Alright.
You will know if you can get here. Lucky! Lucky!
Yes, mom.
Come here quick.
Yes, mom.
Come to see if the American fashion material is. Come to see if you can fit
I'm
it.
gonna bring something for me. Yeah, laugh of them, mom.
Try the shoes now.
Don't worry about that still, man. You know me I go do, mom? Me I go wet it and put buckle in there so it stretch. You see, by a morning, right fit. You don't worry, I love it, mom. I love it.
Yes, they are yours. Just buy 2 lace put in there.
Mom, you don't tell Jav nothing about this.
But just get it and I say come for it.
Oh. Thanks, mom. Thanks.
Yeah, just buy 2 lace put in there and stretch it and see if it will work.
Alright, mom. Alright. Love you, mom.
Love you too.
Alright. Yes, mom. Mommy,
Yes, Jack.
Give me a minute out of your time. 1 second.
What is it now?
Can I talk to you for 5 seconds? Give me a minute out of your time, man. Sit down. You know, say, when I real level low, man, I never will reason it and talk, you know. But you may have to say, before you make a comment or say anything, just listen what I have to say. You know, say all this time, how you always judge me and just assume say me always a girl like trouble and lucky I tell lie for me. When me can never listen to me or hear me out yet. Or put my thought into consideration yet. Never. Me never see you a try process things or listen to the both side of the story or try to investigate how things go before you jump into conclusion, mommy. Why you always, you know, little bit too rough around the edges? You get me a try say, mommy, you know, hear me out. You just quick to beat me and just make Lucky fly like a free bird. Sometimes if you listen to me still now, mommy.
You finish?
Basically.
I will give you wings.
No, I'm not really rings.
I will give you Red Bull.
No, me not know wings.
So, how you brave so if all this while may I live? And at first, you have chess. If you can't tell me, say me not listen to you. And me give Lucky the go ahead. For do what you want to do. Because you basically the same free. For do anything.
No really. Me just say. Me not really say that. Me just, you know. Me just say a little bit. You know, try to get across more. Right.
A sham, cause remember say today, you bring woman in my house. Someone with a sham fi come and I take your time and I come make me want to feel bad. For you say me not listen to you and me not this and me not that. Just because you care woman come in our house.
No, mommy, see the same thing me I say. You just jump to conclusion.
No, but the evidence is there. She say you bring her there. She never call Lucky name. She never call Lucky name. She say Jav. So what me fi do?
Mommy,
Go first Lucky.
I know me fi true, mommy. That me I try show you. See, I know me. You just jump to conclusion all the time, mommy. You're lucky bringing the girl.
I didn't jump to that one that time. That one walked to me.
Mommy, if you even fly to you, you know you have to kind of put in a consideration before. You know, I barely case a click, me fi chew, mommy. Chew, man.
One day the truth will reveal. Cause I home miss it, me address it. Okay? I home miss it, me address it. Me not see no other evidence.
So when continue to get barely till the truth reveal.
Yeah.
Then I got dead by then.
You're wrong.
Jesus, please. Alright then, mommy. I that me just did want to say still.
Hey boy, you always grieve my spirit, you know. And this you call me out of the kitchen for? You know, say I pack them with the wash. And I could make you wash them. You know that? Listen, me now want good mood today. And I don't want you to spoil it. You hear me I tell you?
Yes, mommy. We don't do it again.
Try to make it happen again.
Of 156 applicants, this young man got the highest score and he's the only one that passed. I can't believe this. Oh no, I have to come in person. I have to meet this person. He got such a high score. Yeah.
Yes, indeed. He's a very bright, intelligent young man.
I'm so happy you shared this with me because what if you never told me about this? Who wouldn't have anybody? Because all of the others fail.
Exactly, I me telling him, mother.
Wow, this man, why he has a bright future.
Pleasant good evening, Miss Cam.
Good evening.
Pleasant good evening, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pleasant greetings. I'm happy to meet you, sir. But did you know?
This is Mr. Dre.
Mr. J, my name is Jav. My name is Jav.
Happy to meet you.
Yes, same from me to you
yes,
too,
sir.
sir.
Sir, you know, I want to break some news to you. You know, for this program, we have been doing it for years, and this year seems to be a little bit off. You know, and a lot of persons fail the course, but you're the only person that passed.
Me, sir?
Yes.
Me one, sir?
Yes, and you not just only pass, you pass with a straight A profile.
Me, sir, get straight A, sir?
I had to come in person to break the news.
I am so happy, sir.
I'm happy too.
Let me shake your hand again, sir. Sir, you happy now, sir? So,
yes, definitely.
So me I get to go and play now.
More than that. And
Miss Cam, thanks, Miss Cam. Me glad now, Miss Cam. Jesus, Miss Cam, thanks, Miss Cam. Me happy now, Miss Cam.
Yes.
My mother go proud when me tell her.
Where is it?
Yes, Miss Cam, my mother go happy when me tell her.
Yo, can't you? When me tell you, say, for the first day, me tell you. Say, when me tell you, say.
Okay, Miss Cam. Okay, Miss Cam.
Me not tell you, say, no, how to your mouth and say nothing to no
man. Me not tell nobody, Miss Cam.
The only person alone can maybe him a go know about is your father.
Alright, Miss Cam.
You understand?
Yes, Miss Cam.
No utter nothing to your mother, because your mother not go like you.
Yes, Miss Cam.
Because me tell you, say, me tell him about you already and he never happy.
Me not go tell her about it, Miss
Cam.
Cam.
To him.
Yes, Miss Cam. Me not go tell her, Miss Cam.
Remember, say, me have to go cut to your father later too.
Okay, Miss Cam.
That's him sign the paper, you understand?
Yes, Miss Cam. I really appreciate it, Miss Cam.
Yes. So me and you go over your father and he sign the paper. I know how to word to your mother.
Oh, okay, Miss Cam.
Don't let me hear you repeat that again.
Alright, Miss Cam.
You see, when you reach over there now, you call her and say, Mommy, you remember a program where Miss Cam did I tell me about?
Yes, Miss Cam.
Yes. The Oxford?
Yes, Miss Cam.
Yes. When you reach over there, when you go up on the plane and reach and put on your bag,
okay,
you
Miss
call
Cam.
him.
Alright, Miss Cam. Me hear you, Miss Cam. May I listen, Miss Cam?
Yes. So Mr. Dre here is going to tell you about the procedure. We're going to take you right through.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. J.
Anything you need to know, any questions that you have, feel free to let me know because, you know, I'm here to assist you. And because you do so well, I'm going to put in extra effort to ensure that you're fully comfortable with all the processes and that anything that needs to be done will be get done and on time.
Yes, Mr. J. But only one question I have, Mr. J.
It's no problem.
Me not really eat nothing, sir. But food I go provided.
Of course.
Alright, thanks, Mr. J. Thanks, Mr. J.
So you don't want to know like what the menu will be like?
Yes, sir. elaborate a little bit about
So
it
the
for
place
me,
that
sir.
you'll be going, they have indoor. It's kind of like a restaurant kind of vibe, but it's like fully catered to. So
Yes, sir.
you have 5 different meals and different meats and different types of protein
It will
and
come like a
carbohydrate.
buffet,
Like
or
a
what's it?
buffet.
Yes,
style.
sir.
So you can pick, choose, refuse anything you like, and we have fruits, vegetables, all sort of other assortments, so that you can have all the nutrients that your body needs.
Sir, it's like a heaven. Me just imagine heaven in my brain, sir.
Life is really changing for you.
Sir, me can't believe say me alone, no, sir.
Well,
Are you
Give
Dre?
God-
I'm in
is
true.
Just
I'm in
like that.
true.
Yeah.
I'm really appreciate it.
No
A
problem.
lot. Me ready now if you go sign the paperwork with my father.
Is what you watching?
No, now watch Teen Wolf.
Oh,
No, how are you?
not bad.
You fine? Pause.
Where pause it?
It's been like 3 days now when I see Jav.
That's the same reason why I came here. To ask you if you've seen him.
Because me look into it and I wonder if I don't know if father ain't gone or somewhere. I don't know.
Me probably if you call him father, you know.
I think you should have done that. Why not call him now? Cause this look away.
May I clock the same thing because me I say a long time me I see job. Me no feel angry or nothing, so me know say he know the boat.
What do you want?
You say job?
What?
Me say if you say job.
What do you mean if Mr. Jeff?
Me no see him for 3 days now, so I wonder if you have him.
A joke can't make for choo-choo. Eh? A joke can't make for choo-choo, man. It mean Mr. Jeff for 3 days. Oh, you Mr. Jeff for 3 days. Eh?
I haven't seen him for 3 days. Me never say me see him.
Yeah, man. The dark man, I like darkness for the all the time, you know? Yeah, it's too dark for true. And if Mr. Jeff, you know, Jeff doing party for the day. Jeff there in America at Oxford University. Yeah, that for true.
Oh, that's why you laugh. That's why you laugh when me tell you say me no see him.
That's why me I laugh. Jeff there at college and that, you know.
Happy riddance. Happy riddance. Happy riddance.
And I darkness of the same man. That's it, that's all. No, I shouldn't even want to tell her for true.
But I know eventually. But I know eventually. But me wonder if you're missing or are you have him because of the discussion we have other day.
And that if the police them can't come and me out that now. Are you the boy, the black but pull it out, the choo.
Are you rub off for me? It takes one to know another. I am dark, you are darker.
Well, when I too much business me have. I'm like lucrative. I can't afford to send my son on the trip to Oxford College for true.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. And have a nice night, yeah? True.
I will sleep in peace tonight. You saw the brute them wicked. You saw the brute them wicked.
College. How comes?
Me know how comes. Remember say, what's your name there? Shorty come. They make a proposal. So she want him to go. So nothing more than she go behind my back and make the pa sign the papers.
I don't know if you know, mom.
Say to me feel away?
I mean by you don't feel away, mom.
Why am I supposed to feel away? The only thing me feel away about is that I know you get it. Now you go have to find something to do. You go have to find something to do.
Mom, what you mean? What you mean by me go have to find something to do?
You can't go sit down so. Remember say you're not dunce. You're not dunce.
I'm not dunce, man, but not because you hear say job gone a foreign or Ray Black. No means say me can't go.
A while ago you asked me if me no feel no way. No, because you feel away, why you ask me if me feel away?
Me not feel no way, man. You see me feel away?
Feel away or not, you have to find something to do.
Like
you
what?
Done.
What me I
do
do?
Research. Do your research.
Me not research about nothing, man. What me I go do?
So go mind you.
No you. I'm me daddy.
Me.
It did one I work for.
Next day plan behind me back and send you to. You're responsible.
So you deal with me now, man.
I'm only responsible for myself as of today. If one do it more, we do it.
So that's why you come in and give me no dinner.
Me just find out so I couldn't that. Well, it start from there. So prepare yourself.
Prepare myself for what, man?
Life. You're a man now.
Then life, me I live right now. Me I watch TV.
And then you go pay a bill then.
Cha-cha. So that means I me go off and go for water.
Every blast.
Sweep up here. Wash plate. Hey!
And you know you chat to me neither, you know. You see your cars? You see what your cars?
What's here, yeah?
Me know you chat to me.
So mommy, where you going so far? Me and your lover, me and your special boy again. Okay. Okay, me see what's going on.
What's going
Two
on?
job gonna foreign now.
Look here, me know you raise your voice for me here, yeah? Me know you raise your voice for me here. You hear me I tell you? Are you cause all of this? You! Me don't want no co-balling in neither. No co-balling. Are you set me up? You! Better go find what do. You see your damn ugly.
What me know if set you up? What me do? What me do? Me not do everything you ask me to do.
Everything like what? That the boy they never disrespect me yet.
He never disrespect you yet. He carry no man in your place.
Shut up!
Weed.
You still have guts with her? You still have guts with her? Don't make me dumb are you in here. And that even likes you. Move, man. Move up. Move up. Move up. Should I drop dead? Cause right now I'm responsible for myself alone. If one fly out gone and I don't know, then the same thing you go do too. Might as well go on for now. Where the Corey's vice?